This is a reasonably common cause of hair fall because today people are chemically styling their hair using blow dryers, using irons, using tongs, using hairspray far too often. So, using the wrong products, which means using very, very harsh products, even the wrong styling tools, the styling tools which do not have good heat control, which are very, very hot, and using a wrong care regime both for the hair and the body could lead to unhealthy hair to hair fall, and this is the four steps that we would use to treat them. So we would make sure that the products are of a good quality. We would make sure that the person uses only and only a shampoo that has no sulfates. The person goes for a mask conditioner. A mask conditioner, we have spoken about all this. It is more in rich in oils and butters, so it is more dense or more nourishing than a regular conditioner. We can even call it like a deep conditioning treatment, and also using good quality argan oil. We spoke about these oils and serums which can be applied both to the scalp and the shaft of the hair, how these go and penetrate into the shaft of the hair and add nutrition to them, add some moisture to them, and make them less brittle. So starting them on a three-step regime every time they wash their hair is one step of making it healthier, because a lot of damage has been done due to heat styling and chemical usage. Hair vitamins definitely help because the hair vitamins at least make sure that the new hair is better nourished, because the hair is already most of when you do a heat styling kind of a treatment, most of the vitamins, because they are not heat stable, most of the vitamins are damaged. The hair is very low on nutrition. Even the protein gets denatured if you're using very, very hot irons. So vitamins play a very important role. I generally give collagen supplements. We have spoken about collagen. In fact, if you have attended the preview of the masterclass, the live session of the masterclass that happens every month, there also I always speak about collagen, because collagen is an elastic kind of protein, and having collagen supplements or eating more of collagen rich foods is definitely going to make the hair more bouncy, more elastic. So when you use hot styling tools or too much of chemical treatments, the protein in the hair, it loses its structure, because we are kind of forcing it to modify its structure, so the protein gets damaged. So collagen supplements really work to get back that nice bounce of hair. And increasing protein in multiple other ways, having more protein rich foods definitely help. Hair peptide tonics, yes, I give them to add nutrition, because you can realize that some way this is like a nutritional hair loss. It is only that the whole body may have good nutrition. It is the local nutrition which has got extremely damaged because of using extreme heat or extreme chemicals. So here I would use a peptide based hair tonic. I would make sure to tell the client to reduce heat styling or invest in very, very expensive tools. Yes, I will talk about the tools and the which are quite expensive. They are celebrity kind of tools, but they have very, very good thermostats, which means their heat control is very, very well protected, and they do not burn the hair. So reduce heat styling or use protection. Every time you style your hair using a hot iron, use something that is a heat protectant. Also, your styling tools need to have a good thermostat on it. They should not randomly or suddenly heat up and damage the hair. So the duration is 3 to 9 months. So if you've got a straightening done or a keratin done and now your whole hair is damaged, you will have to keep repairing it little by little. Make sure that the new hair growth is really healthy. So for 3 to 9 months, you will have to continue this regime of collagen and this regime of high protein diet, hair vitamins, and other things. But within 6 weeks, the results become visible. Even if you start using very good quality argan oil, you will start seeing that the brittleness or the extreme dryness and dullness of the hair is improved in 6 to 8 weeks itself. Also, the hair fall reduces in 6 to 8 weeks. You have to maintain this for life. I think if we have been heat styling our hair too much, in between there was this huge trend of straightening our hair for every small occasion, and every one of us, I'm sure, because I myself am guilty of using too much of straightening irons on my hair, because I have wavy hair, and whenever I used to have to go for corporate presentations or presenting from the stage, I always used to use hot iron tools. and they're extremely damaging to the hair. Either do not do it or invest in the right tools and care products. Yes, today the hair market is big and a lot of care products are quite expensive, but then we can find a sweet spot where we're ready to invest a little while not getting carried away and overspending. But spending on care products becomes a must, and staying away from these heat styling tools is also a big boon to our hair. So, in clinic treatment is generally not required. I just want to keep reminding you that as much as possible, the hair dryer, especially the straightener, the curling machine, or the tong, should be used less and less. So, thank you so much for allowing me to contribute to you and make you understand a holistic approach to hair. I think it's getting clearer and clearer. To make it even more clearer, you can ask me your questions. I'll be waiting for them.